Hello everyone, welcome to this video on questions related to the topics learned in the part 1 of trigonometry tutorial. As you guys are already aware of the topics we learned in the part 1 trigonometry tutorial, you may go through the questions in this video and try them by yourself. If you haven't watched the part 1 tutorial, I would recommend you to click the link on top to watch it first and then come back to the questions. Okay, now let's start working out the questions. You may pause the video to work out each of these questions. Question number 1. If D is the length of an arc of a circle of radius r and theta is the angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle, complete the following table. Question number 2. The moon subtends an angle of 31 minutes at the earth and its distance from the earth is 382,100 kilometers. Find in kilometers the diameter of the moon. Question number 3. Calculate in degrees and minutes the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 3.12 cm by an arc of length 6.14 centimeters. Question number 4. If A is the area of a sector of the circle of radius r and theta is the angle contained in the sector at the center of the circle, complete the following table. Question number 5. Calculate in degrees and minutes the angle at the center of a circle of radius 5.29 cm contained in a sector of area 4.13 cm square. Question number 6. An arc AB of length 5 cm is marked on a circle of radius 3 cm. Find the area of the sector bounded by this arc and the radii from A and B. A chord AB of length 4 cm divides a circle of radius 3.3 cm into two segments. Find the area of each segment. A chord AB of length 5.2 cm subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center of a circle. Calculate the length of the arc AB, the area of the sector containing the angle 120 degrees, the area of the minor segment cut off by AB. Question number 9. Two discs, each of radius 11.6 cm, are laid on a table with their centers 14 cm apart. Find the length of their common chord, the area common to two discs. Question number 10. The area of a sector of a circle diameter of 10.23 cm is 22.86 cm squared. What is the length of the arc of the sector? So try these questions and write down your final answers in the comments below and check your answers using the link above. So for all of that and more, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.